Hi class, how are we doing today?
Good.
Today we're going to be second graders and we are going to cover the 5 senses. But before we dive into it further, we're going to watch a little video on it.
Come with us and have some fun. 5 senses, say it with me. 5 senses, here we go. Say 5. High five. I have 5 senses, say it with me. 5 senses, here we go. Say 5. High five. 1 to see, 2 to hear, 3 to taste, 4 to feel, 5 to smell. We're doing well. 5 senses, say it with me. 5 senses, here we go. Say 5. High five. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come with us and have some fun. I can see with my ears, I can hear with my hands, I can touch, I can feel when you want me, I can taste sweet and sour, I can smell with my nose. Let's do it one more time. Here's how it, here's how it, here's how it goes. 5 senses, say it with me. 5 senses, here we go. Say 5. High five. I have 5 senses, say it with me. 5 senses, here we go. Say 5. High five. 1 to see, 2 to hear, 3 to taste, 4 to feel, 5 to smell. We're doing well. 5 senses, say it with me. 5 senses, here we go. Say 5. High five. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See the moon at night, I can hear the band play, I can touch, I can feel, hot and cold, either way. I can taste, I can smell what I like and what I don't. Let's do it one more time. Here's how it, here's how it, here's how it goes. 5 senses, say them with me. 5 senses, here we go. Say 5. High five. I have 5 senses, say them with me. 5 senses, here we go. Say 5. High five. I have 5 senses, say them with me. 5 senses, here we go. Say 5. High five. I have 5 senses, say them with me. 5 senses, here we go. Say 5. High five. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come with us and have some fun. You are so kind of wonderful.
Got it. Good job.
Alright, so from the video, can anyone help me name the 5 senses again? Start.
Hearing.
Hearing. And how do we hear?
With our ears.
Good. Morgan?
Smell.
Smell. And how do we smell things?
With our nose.
Our nose. Excellent. Shaylee.
Taste.
And how do we taste things?
With our tongue.
With our tongue? Okay. I'm going to put mouth, but
Okay.
tongue is correct. Jamie?
We see.
We see. And what do we use to see?
Eyeballs.
Eyeballs. All right, we got one more left. Mike.
Touch.
Touch. And what do we use to touch things with?
Skin.
Can you be more maybe specific? Maybe, I mean, you're very specific, but
Hands.
general. Okay, good. All right, well, today we're going to go and we're going to see on how our 5 senses are. We have 5 different groups or stations that we're going to go through, and they're going to see on how well we can identify things. The first one's going to be touch. So what I want you guys to do is I need you to have your eyes closed. I want you to just reach in the bag with just your hand. Don't try to smell or use other senses, but just try to use that sense that you're going to use. All right? There's no tarantulas, I promise.
Okay.
No
hedgehogs. No hedgehogs.
So try to, be fair. Don't try to cheat. if you do cheat, we're just gonna have you sit out of the activity. All right. For the feeling one, all I want you to do is just to. I just want you to feel the substance, and once you're done, move on to the next station. To smell. All you're gonna do is you're just gonna close your eyes and you're gonna put your nose in the bag and you're gonna smell into it. And then we have another one that's taste. Just put your hand in the bag and remove whatever the item is in there and put it in your mouth. And then we're gonna hear. That one is enclosed and you can move it and manipulate it any way that you want to. So when we go through each station, I want you to write down characteristics. What did you see? What did you hear? What did you smell? Was it hard? Was it soft? So give me some descriptive words on things that you can use. I have a worksheet for everybody that they can kind of write things down. Did anyone notice the mistake that I made maybe on my stations that I had? I do have 2 touching. Good job, Morgan. So I need to change that. I need to change that to C.
There is a C. Oh.
Good job, Morgan. Way to catch that.
I don't understand what just happened.
You had two,
I had-
two touch ones.
I had 2 stations that were touch. So I needed to make one that was just C and touch. So I needed to divide the 2.
Oh.
So what we're going to do is we're going to pair up into groups of 2, it looks like, based on and we're just going to write down things that we observe when we see or whatever the station calls for. All right? All right. Break up into groups and then everyone just spread out to each center and rotate.
Zach doesn't want to go with me, so who wants to be my
We'll go to this one first.
What is this one?
This is the hearing one.
Hear what I hear. Oh.
It's like a maraca, like you maraca.
Are they the same?
They are different.
Do we just
They spell maraca.
You can do both of them, please. Yeah. Yeah. So, don't like smell it or get anything else.
Rice. Like this is green. Like this is green. It has a distinct.
Oh,
I don't know how to describe it. We're gonna put rice in here.
so maybe let's write down some characteristics that you could like. Like, how did you know that maybe it was?
It's very harsh. It made my nose.
So maybe like write something like made my nose tickle. It was strong. It was, you know,
You
have
have to
some
do both.
defining words on how you came to your
Oh,
prediction.
wow, what? Stop. I didn't even think about it.
So what's some things that you felt?
What prediction?
That one, they were small.
Were we not the center of taste like, or
Okay.
were we not that center?
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your prediction? Possibly what's
So what's your prediction?
That's what you think it is just based on your.
okay?
Oh, surrender.
Yeah.
This is unsanitary, by the way.
Okay.
I think it's.
Oh, here.
Okay. And then we're done.
Oh, okay.
I think this is
Okay.
I'm gonna say rice.
So for the bells, how did you maybe know it was a bell? Was it like
Well,
what?
it sounded like metal
Okay.
and a little bit of
Okay. Okay. So maybe write that down on like on how you came to the conclusion of possibly it was a bear.
Okay.
And then for the other one, do you guys have a prediction on the other one?
I thought rice. What do you think?
I thought rice too.
Okay.
Because it was sounded like
I don't know
small
what this
pigs.
one is though.
I don't know what this is. Maggie, what are you? I think I smell. Oh, no.
I don't
You
know.
can't smell probably. Okay.
Whoa.
Clinging.
I know what that is. Ew.
I think I know.
So how did you come up on the lemon part? What was some kind of some, what was your tongue telling you?
You said marijuana?
And it was sour.
Or sour?
My mouth was.
How do you know what that is?
This one is kind of cinnamony. That's
Okay.
ordered.
Because our president.
Sort of
Yeah.
What did you use to describe?
spicy, I guess.
Acid, small fragments,
Yeah.
like sandy or rocky.
Sandy. I just said shaky.
Did you guys get the smell yet? I can't see that.
Okay.
He's an ex-cop. He had it in his lap bag.
Beware.
So what did you guys think there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Phony, yeah.
These ones are here.
So you
You don't know?
I don't know what I just said.
I really want to touch it too.
That's cheating.
There's
No,
dirty.
no.
I only see it.
I'm gonna save it.
I'm gonna regret this. I have a feeling.
Spicy.
So how did you get hot and spicy? Which one did you, which bag did you? Okay.
Wait, are we going checking one bag?
No.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Ah. I don't know how to describe this smell.
Okay, I will just put out my honey.
Did you just dump your whole thing out?
Alright, here we go.
I don't know how to describe it.
Oh, yeah.
You like real lemon?
Yeah.
My girlfriend said that. She didn't like it as candy, but she loves real cinnamon.
I just like hot tamale. I know what it is.
I got that too, Becca.
What is that?
Huh?
She looks her whole hand in.
Okay.
What are you doing? Sour and sugary and wonderful.
I know what that is.
Here.
I don't know how to describe
You
it.
might want to go watch.
Doesn't move, it's definitely solid.
Okay.
I think you're right.
I'm gonna look now that
I was right. Yay.
And once you're done, you can return back to your seats.
Oh. When you put your hand in, it just. Her whole
That's
hand
when
was
you
stuck.
run away.
I did it very gently, and so I just got my. That's what I should have.
Oh,
Thank
thank you.
Messed up the whole.
I know. I was afraid. I was
Looks like butter,
afraid.
but it's not butter.
I ruined it for Mike.
Here it is.
I
Okay.
don't know what it is.
Now I'm home.
Here you go, Mike.
I love the feel of that.
I do without one. Without all the time. You put it on the table.
Oh, really?
We cleaned our desks like that.
Yeah, she just like sprayed on the table, sprayed all of the shit, like right in the face. Not any smell.
It's true, it's like.
Yeah. It's great.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. That's a good idea. We, at the.
Maybe really put your nose into it. It's a little copper.
Oh wow, yeah, there it goes. Sorry.
Is everyone almost done? Okay. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go through each one of them. There were 2 different bags at each station. So we're going to go through and just kind of, I want you guys to give me what you guys, the characteristics that you guys observed, smelled, or etc. So we're going to start with hearing. We'll break this up kind of into 2 a little bit. So at the hearing station, on the first bag, or what's some things that you guys heard in one of the bags? Ringing? Okay.
Clangs. Metallic sound.
Metallic. Okay. Anything else? Anything that might have stood out for you guys?
I listed that they were probably large objects.
Okay.
I don't really know how to describe.
Who can give me the prediction on what it was inside that bag?
A bell.
A bell. You guys are correct on that. It was a bell.
Hooray.
Hey! Alright, for the second bag that was at that station, what were some characteristics that you guys heard?
Lots of little.
Yeah.
Lots of little things?
Little fragments.
Okay.
I was on break.
Anything else?
They were hard.
They were hard? Okay. Anybody else? No? Who has a prediction on what it was inside the bag? Joey? Rice. And rice it was actually inside the bag. Well, good job.
How would you know that?
Alright, let's move to the smell one. One of them was pretty difficult. One of the other ones might not have been. So on one of the bags, Shaylee, what did you have down for one of the bags?
I had that it was like spicy or peppery.
Okay, spicy or peppery.
I don't know if peppery is a word, but yeah, you just made it one.
Peppery. Jamie, did you notice anything in that bag?
I couldn't smell those, I'm so sick, but
Okay.
Star and I got black pepper.
Black pepper for that one, and that was correct. How about the other bag? I think kind of got a couple different results from that one. Just kind of going around and listening to everybody.
Smelled like spices and
Okay, so
Herb,
spices.
Like, yeah,
Yeah,
herb,
pepper
like
and stuff.
green spices, yeah.
Spices.
it was herb.
H-E-R. No, H-A-R-B-S.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anybody else have any other predictions?
I just read that it smelled mild.
Mild.
Yeah.
No,
It was hard to smell something.
Anybody have any predictions on what that was?
Yeah, parsley.
You guys are correct.
Yeah.
Whoa,
Nice
nice
job,
job.
guys.
Working in the kitchen pays off.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Alright, taste. Mike, what did you have down for taste?
I put sour and sweet for one of the bags.
Okay,
And my prediction was that it was a lemon drop.
you're correct on that. Lemon drop. Zach, what did you have for the second bag?
It was had a cinnamony taste and it's kind of hot.
And what was your prediction on that?
That was like a little cinnamon candy.
And that was, yeah, it was a cinnamon candy. Alright, what about seeing? Which was the one over here. What's some characteristics that you guys noticed on this one, the first one right here? Foamy, okay. Okay.
I wrote that it kind of looked yellowish.
Good call, Mike.
Anybody have a guess on what that is?
Frosting?
Butter.
Whipped
Yeah.
butter.
Whipped cream.
It was
Cool
whipped
Whip.
cream.
Uh-huh.
It
Why
was.
is it yellow?
Fresh cream?
Totally like fresh milk.
All right, for the second one, this one over here. What did you guys think this was, or what's some characteristics that you guys noticed from this one? Powdery.
White.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anybody else have any characteristics that you guys noticed from that one?
It was light.
Light.
Mhm.
Okay.
Soft.
Yeah, that's a better word. Soft. I did not touch it.
All right. What's the prediction that Zach? What did you have? What did you think that was?
I think it's flour.
Flour. Okay.
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
I put powdered sugar.
It was powdered sugar. All right, and for the last one, touch, which was these ones right here. What do you guys have down for maybe bad one right here? That's maybe little things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Little.
They were smooth.
Yeah, and they had like a kind of like a U shape, not quite, but it was like
Cool.
starting
kind
to
of
go that way. Yeah.
Huge.
Yeah. It wasn't like a full U, it was just
First I thought they were like Vitamix, but they're not squishy.
Okay.
Yeah, they were.
So they were not squishy, they were hard.
And I thought they were M&Ms, but they're not all round.
yeah.
Okay. So what's the prediction?
Beans.
Beans? And it was beans. Good job, guys.
That's really what I thought too.
Yeah.
Like nice.
All right, for the last bag, one that might have got you a little bit wet.
That
What's
one
some-
tricked us.
That one tricked you guys? What's some characteristics that you guys thought of that one?
Is it spongy?
Spongy?
I said puffy.
Toby.
At first it felt dry to me, and then it felt wet. Wet.
Soft.
Not moist. So it was disgusting.
And what's your guys' prediction for this one?
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream. Good job, class. So as you can see, on how we use the 5 different senses, at times we're going to use one, at times we're going to use multiple to maybe see what we're, seeing, smelling, or other things. That's pretty much my lesson right there.